What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 2 Bath and Shower Tile Ideas episode 27. We've got some rain today. Fortunately, we have some cover for our tools and our DeWalt tile saw. The client's house is much too small to set up a full-size tile saw inside. So let's show you what we're working with here. So here's our little work zone. Again, we've got cover. Thank God. It's supposed to rain all day today as well as tomorrow. Of course, we got our tile box set up here with DeWalt, our DeWalt tile tools. Let's hope this patio cover does not leak. We'll find out soon. We're setting up the DeWalt. We've got a new blade, P4 Pearl, getting that set up. So let's show you what we're working with, what we've got so far. Again, day 2, we're gonna start tile today. They're doing a heck of a lot of construction in this house. But here is the area. Again, fairly small area. We've got the board up. Our niche is framed. Prefabricated Schluter. Again, 100% waterproof system, ready to rock. We're going to install a mosaic feature inlay here with some pencil trim or chair rail. Not quite sure what the customer is going to get. They're picking that out today. Again, we have our bathtub all protected. This is what we use to protect this. Again, one of the best options to protect your bathtub, guys. Here it is, SP01 scratch protection. 1 gallon protects about 3 bathtubs. Once it dries, you simply peel that off, but anything you drop, any scratches, this helps to avoid any kinds of dings, dents, nicks. Great product. But anyways, we got the laser set up. We're setting the saw up. Let's get on with it and install some tile. Let's quickly show you what we're going to install for tile. Okay, here's the tile that we're going to install. Field wall tile. Unfortunately, there's so many different types and patterns with the veins and movement. I mean, here you can see they're completely different than that. He ordered about 20% extra, so I'm hoping that we can mix and match as best as possible. But 4 by 12 marble, and this is going to be for the feature inlay, 24 inch by 24 inch on the back wall. We're going to frame it out with chair rail or pencil trim depending on what the client gets. So here we go. Matching silicone. All right, guys. The last day, the final day. Let's show you the final product. Shower 2 fireplace surrounds. Here we go. So real quick before we show you the shower, we did all this in about a week. So remodeled a shower, prep, plumbing, and also tiled 2 fireplace surrounds. So quickly show you the fireplace surrounds, go in and show you the marble shower that's all complete tub surround. Here we go. Here is the little fireplace surround that we wrapped up yesterday. Today is Friday, final day. We've got to grout this, grout the one upstairs. It looks exactly the same, and collect final payment. We love these type of Fridays. So anyhow, quick little day today. Again, grout this fireplace as well as the one upstairs, collect a payment, and get on with our weekend. So for the face of the fireplace, we have arabesque marble polished. Nice and flat mosaic. We trimmed it out with Landberg. We've got 12 by 24 Carrara porcelain. Of course, veins and movement are following and matching up very well. And again, we trimmed out the hearth with Landberg by Schluter. Mitered on both corners here. Landberg as well as the porcelain. But yeah, fun, modern, good-looking little fireplace surround, guys. Let's show you the shower. Okay, here is the marble tub surround. Keep in mind, there was a designer involved with this build. We were asked to randomly place light and dark marble tiles throughout the surround. But, real quick, we installed a new bathtub. The valve trim kit and shower head is late. There's a 2-week delay on that. Unfortunately, we have to come back to install it. The field wall tile is a 4 by 12 marble matte finish. To trim out the sides of the shower, we used marble dome or pencil trim, whatever you want to call it. We mitered every tile around the window, the sill, sides, and top. And installed a 2-foot by 2-foot decorative mosaic inlay. And again, miters at all 4 corners. We trimmed this out with marble dome or pencil trim with a decorative inlay. Looks great, gives the back wall some pop. Here is the recessed shampoo niche, double niche. Again, mitered at all 4 corners. I'll show you up close here. The same decorative mosaic marble inlay. Mitered on all 4 corners here. Tight, clean corners inside the niche, no buildup. Niche looks great. We used 100% silicone on the sides of the shower, around the perimeter of the tub, as well as the ceiling. So there will be no cracking whatsoever in the future. But there it is, guys. Marble tub surround. Hope you enjoyed the quick video. As usual, don't forget to subscribe. We've got a great one coming up, Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 28. It's going to be a 2-part, full Schluter shower, single slope, linear drain, tileable. It's going to be a brand new footprint. So stay tuned to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 28, coming up soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.